How to log in Walmart MasterCard account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in Walmart MasterCard account online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Walmart MasterCard Login and tap on the very first link you see there. You will be led to the official webpage of Walmart MasterCard. Tap on the Sign In option on top right of your screen and further tap on the Sign In or Create option. You will now be asked to enter your email address. So, go ahead and enter the email address that you have registered Walmart MasterCard with and tap on Continue. You will further be asked to enter your password. So, go ahead and enter your password, and if you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on the Forgot Password option and recover your password by following the on-screen prompts. And if you want the device to remember your login credentials, then tap on the Remember Me checkbox. Finally, tap on the Sign In button, and with this, you will be logged into Walmart MasterCard account online. So, this is how you can log in to Walmart MasterCard account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.